Contra Costa County has just created a new opportunity for food lovers to earn extra income from home during challenging times. The county just launched the Microenterprise Home Kitchen Operations Permit, or MEHKO. This permit lets you legally sell food directly from your home. You can sell up to 30 meals a day and 90 meals a week, as long as you keep gross annual sales under $100,000. Plus, you get 2 health inspections a year to ensure everything stays safe and tasty. These inspections are also a way for the public to know that a seller advertising on social media is complying with food safety regulations. You might be thinking, I could always sell food from home with the proper license. Well, this permit differs from obtaining a traditional license to cook from home in several ways. The new permit simplifies the process, making it easier and quicker for residents to start home-based food businesses. It typically involves fewer regulations, lower fees, and less extensive inspections compared to a full commercial kitchen license. This permit specifically caters to small-scale operations, allowing residents to prepare and sell certain types of foods directly from their homes, which encourages local entrepreneurship and supports small business growth within the community. It's a game changer for small business owners and food lovers alike. Even more so, for anyone looking for that extra stream of income and economic opportunity. It's a win-win for everyone, so get to cooking and start your home-based food business today. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.